Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. It's our real trades and our real money, and our aim is to grow the best YouTube channels in the world. That's our aim. That's what we're working to do. I go live every day, many hours, sometimes 7, sometimes 10 even, 5 days a week. And it's all about supporting people, having fun, raising money with our money and our music channel, separate channel. And it's what we're all about here on the Day Trader. Okay, let's get straight into our positions, and we're up again today. 2% again. It's continual now for 3 months. Let's go into the main trades and look where we are right now. Okay, if you've just tuned in, please subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. Thank you very much indeed for being here. If you're over there on TikTok, wow, what a massive audience we've already got this morning. Welcome to all of you. Massive week ahead. We've got the stock split from Tesla. You can see my shares on the screen. If you want to join me, the home of our channel is on YouTube. The link's in the profile just up here. Come and join us. We're talking about Gove today. Canoe, C-A-N-O-O, Canoe. That IPO, that reports tonight. We are covering it. We've also got our cash giveaway. If you want to be in on it, every Friday we give a cash giveaway as well. It's free to enter, free for all. We're trying to become the best TikTok, Twitch and YouTube channel in the world, better than Mr. Beast, and we want to give away money and help people and support people and bring the world together with my 2 channels, my music channel and my money channel. That's what we're all about. Money, music, love, underpinned with dedication. You've got the best channels in the world. All right, let's get it straight into it. If you want to be part of our main show, the icon reveals to you the all links button. That's how you can get to YouTube. All right, let's get back to my traders. Here we go. Okay, we're up 1.97% right now. Vanguard S&P is up 0.5% this morning, looking good. Virgin Galactic is up 2%, heading towards $7 again. I asked everybody in the poll on my community tab, would I reach $7? Nearly everyone, I believe, said no. Started then to change their mind over the weekend. But anyway, I said yes, 100%. Be back at $8 soon. Why do I say that? Well, if you look at the over the 3 months trend, if you are a chart reader, which I'm not, it dropped off after the earnings, but a lot less than last time, and it's heading back up again. It was oversold, overreaction. The earnings was good. It was just a sell-off, and you all know who we feel the most pain for. Okay, Peter Maycock. Good morning to Peter Maycock. How are you? Dexter Sickles. Hi, everyone. Good morning to Dexter Sickles. Lovely to have you with me. All right, let's go for all our stocks right now. Virgin Orbit is holding above 4, even though it is down 1%. We're okay with that. Hey, good morning. I am seeking donation towards paying my daughter's college fee video. Are you? Well, we do fundraisers all the time for free on our YouTube channel for our members. You don't pay me anything. You keep all the money. It's what I do for all of my members. Completely for free. We've raised over $1 million in this studio. I'll show you the studio on the screen right now. Let me just change that camera a minute. Hang on. Let me just change this camera angle. That one. Okay, we'll just change that from there to there, from there to there. See all that? Look. Okay. That's done. There we go. Made a slight tweak there for you. Okay, on this studio here is where we've raised over $1 million for our members. You just need to be on YouTube and be part of our family, and we'll help support you. Okay, let's get back to it. Bill is here. Good morning, Bill. How are you this morning? Virgin Orbit is just down slightly. Right, Tesla. We've got the Tesla split. Now then, I've been saying for a while that stock splits are good for the stocks, but only in bull markets. Everyone gets excited. Not everyone has the opportunity to buy Tesla at a fractional price. Not everyone does that, but has the opportunity. But I've said it doesn't actually affect the stock price in a bear market. But we are in a bear market rally, though, and there's nothing more attractive and trended and shorted on the stock market than Tesla. This will go up on the stock split, and the next earnings is going to be the best ever. There is so much good news coming down the line for Tesla. I have got 13 shares, and I am absolutely not selling them. This stock will go up. Sher Davis says, how do I find that? The link's in the profile. It's right there, right on the screen for you. Just click the icon here, come out of the live show, come into YouTube, come into the all links button. It will bring you to my YouTube channel, my live, right, I'm there all the time. youtube.com/thedaytrader1. But I just tell you now, if you're coming just because you want free money from me, it doesn't work like that. I do give free money away to my members and my family, the community, but I don't give money away to people who just say, give me money. I mean, you know, I'm not stupid, but I am here to help people, and I love helping people. But if you just come into YouTube and go, give me money, my community won't give you any money. I'm just saying, you know, it doesn't work like that. All right, Paul B. Crypto.com acquires South Korean payment provider, PN Link and Virtual Asset Exchange, OKBit, and is licensed, regulatory compliant in South Korea. Big news and moves again for CRO, #1 spot incoming. There we go, crypto.com. There you go, CRO. I was looking at it again this morning. Look, I'm giving it more and more attention every day. I'm seeing what's going on. Right, let's move. Oops, hello. I showed your comment 4 times then. All right, Rivian is up 2.38. Good morning, Nate. Good morning. Good morning, Martin. Apologies for last week. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Oh, Nate. Remember what I always said, folks? As an entertainer, I always work the man at the back of the room, the one who's upset with you. And it always pays off. Not because for any reason other than it's just a beautiful thing. That's all I'm going to say. Nate Miller, absolutely. I appreciate your apology. You don't need to make it. You're expressing your point of view. You're very welcome back here. You're a wonderful member of the family. And no problem at all, Nate. No problem at all. It's all good. But hopefully now you realise that I'm not pumping stock and dumping stock. That's not who I am, and I'm the very, very opposite of that. And in fact, I feel awful every moment for Virgin Galactic, for our friend Rob Brennan, who lost 30 grand, because I know it's going back up. What he did, he put all his money on one stock and used margin, and he got margin called, and it forced him, to sell it. As you know, he shared with you on the show. It was just the bad way he exercised the stock. Virgin Galactic is going to $100. I am holding it, and remember, I only ever do what I say and say what I do. So there you go. But no worries at all. Anyway, we look forward to welcoming you back to the family at any time. I know it's currently you're not a member, but please, the live the memberships make such a huge difference to my show. It's what funds the live shows. I make money from videos, not live shows, and the memberships provide that service. So appreciate everyone who's a member here today and supports. Remember, for a couple of bucks a month, you can support this channel. And I'll always give back 20 times what you give me. Ask anyone who's been a member for a while who takes advantage of all the benefits. Don't just be a member and don't do anything. Take advantage of it. Lights F, do not invest in CRO unless you want another sell. Sell, lol. I'm not sure I know what that means, Lights F. I'm not sure what it means. I'm not investing in hardly any crypto right now, as you know. Bitcoin, I'm up 22%. I've got a small amount, but I only buy it at 19,000, and next time 8,000. Oh, Celsius, thank you. Oh, yeah. Then I've got Bitcoin SV. I've got 11 Bitcoin SV. So if it goes to $1 million, I've got $11 million. And there you go. I'm not touching it. I'm waiting for it to go down, and I don't mind, because remember, my money's working elsewhere. It's not as if I'm sitting on the sidelines, not aware of what's going on. My money's making money somewhere else. As you can see, I'm up today nearly 2%. So let's have a look at it. I'm up on the live position, up on the day position, up on the week position, up on the month position, and I'm also up now. I was a few moments ago up on the 3-month position. It's just dropped a little bit, but I was a second ago. As you can see, things have improved big time. I think Tesla is going to do very, very well. The stock split's going to be good for the stock. I'll tell you something else that's going to be fantastic as well, is the US government now is going all in on, or not as much as before, but going all in on EVs and the future and solar and wind. Enphase Energy up again, 1.53. I'm up 70% on Enphase Energy. Am I selling? No. Am I heckers like? This is the beginning of solar, not the end. I am holding. I have 6 shares worth nearly $2,000 now. I've virtually doubled my money. Very, very nice indeed. I'm not selling. Another one that you should all be aware of. We talked about it over the weekend. Rio Tinto is now getting into solar and wind. So, not only do we have the dividend coming up this week, so people are going to buy in, of course, for the dividend. We know that. Look, it's also up. It's got one of the best dividends. I have a mover, ALEC, been holding for a year. Finally green, don't know the news, but it's looking good. ALEC has been holding for a year. Finally green, don't know the news, but it's looking good. All right, Cheryl Davis, thank you for your subscription. Okay, Nate, if I get time, I'll look at the stock. Don't forget it's a membership perk. If you become a bronze member, I'll review the stock. Might even buy it, do a video on it, but only if I actually buy the stock. Keep eyes on Lucid today. Could be a pump. Let's have a little look. Always looking at Lucid at 1.6. I've got 20 shares. It's all I need. Rivian is up today. Now, we've got some very important news for you. Somebody, I forget who it was, said to me, would I report on Arrival? Yes, I'm reporting on Arrival. But tonight, I am reporting on Canoe. It's in the after hours of tonight's show. There you go. A slightly different thumbnail. I want to ask what everybody thinks of the new thumbnails for the earnings. Now, you remember on the earnings, I had earnings, the logo, and nothing. Oh, Nate Miller has become a bronze member again. Hey, he's come back to the family. Would everybody please welcome Nate Miller back? Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Looks good, Martin. Thank you. What I've done, for those of you that are YouTubers, this is a little lesson. If you put a face in the thumbnail, and consistency, it does actually help, and you get a higher click-through rate, CTR. It's a serious look. It's the same face I always use. I don't smile or down or do any sad faces. It's just a straight face, and the reason for that is it's branding and it's familiarity. And you know, you're not always going to smile because the stock might be down, might be up. Just a straight face. But I've added the logo. I always had the logo, always had the earnings, but now what I've got earnings live and earnings edit, which means we do the live earnings, and then we have the earnings edited. And some people like to watch it without the fluff at the beginning and the end. And actually, you get you actually do better on the edit as you do the live. Quite incredible, right? So anyway, there you go. Very interesting. But anyway, I want all of you. That's how many have we got in now to do a little test for me. Do a little test. Is everybody here? Yes. First of all, smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. We need 20 likes before I announce this. I've got a little test. And Alex Hunt would be a great person to be in here. Okay, let's get 20 likes. Here we go. Smash the like button. Quick cup of tea. Thank you for the follows over on TikTok, by the way. We're very close now to 23,000 followers. It's incredible. The support I get on TikTok is absolutely unparalleled. We gain a few hundred followers every single day. Some days 500. What is the fee for the subscription? The subscription is a couple of bucks. But if you could become a subscriber and you can only do it during my live show, the benefit is I'll invite you into my YouTube channel as a member of the family, get many perks as that. But here on TikTok, if you become a subscriber, at the end of this show, live, at the very end of the show, within 5 minutes of me ending, I will put your channel on this screen, I will make you a commercial video and promote and invite everyone, all my 23,000 nearly followers, to follow and subscribe to your channel. And if you look on the homepage of my TikTok channel, it benefits everyone. You can see I do it for all my subscribers, and I follow you back. I only ever follow my members and subscribers, and the reason for that is I don't do follow for follow. I don't believe in it. I'm here to help people, and you have to engage in people. And because I have 23,000 followers and many on YouTube, I can only follow back my members and my subscribers. It's what I do for everyone. So if you subscribe to me, I'll follow you back at the end of this. But more importantly, to get you followers, I will put I'll make a video for you inviting people to join. But also, you get exclusive contents where I answer all your questions and do member-only videos as well, where I go deep dive on TikTok into my channel, into my portfolio. All right, anyway, back to my YouTube. Okay, we've got 17 now then. Good morning, Zach. Predicted for space today for this week. It's going back to $8. No question about it. It was overreaction. The earnings was good. I don't know why everyone sold out. I don't know why everyone sold out. The earnings was good. They're spending money. Of course they're spending money. They're building rockets. 3 months ago, that was the dip after earnings. Look at, if you're a chart reader, I'm sure you'll draw a trend line through that and go, well, it's going up, right? It's the earnings for Virgin Galactic is irrelevant. They've got plenty of money. They're not going to run out of money. They're not going bankrupt. Everything is fine. They're doing everything they should be doing. They're investing in rockets, building the hotels for the experience, and making sure it doesn't go bankrupt. You know, it's a good company. Anyway, so I want to do a little test with everybody right now. I now rank on YouTube all the time. For certain stocks, I rank #1 all the time. But I don't always rank #1 or at all on Google. And Google is the #1 search engine. YouTube is #2. So I am going to do a test right now with all of you. I have put my video for tonight's canoe, GOEV, into a blog on my website. It is the video, it is the information, but I've contained it in a blog. Right, so it'll be found by Google. So I'm going to do a little test now, and I appreciate all of you just to click on this link. It's a link to my blog. This is my blog. If you look on my channel, you'll see I have a blog. All right, and in the blog it are different days, different video. Look, this is tonight's video. This is a link. You can click on that to the video, so you can watch it through my website. Very cool, right? But it'll make it trend on Google. And if I get this right, our views could go up exponentially, because I've never actually trended on Google, only on YouTube. So here is the link. I want to test it a minute. I'm gonna ask all of you, if you wouldn't mind, just click on it. Open another tab and click on this. There you go. martynlucas.com/ it's Gove stock. So if everyone would do that for me, open another tab, click on it, and you can come back into the video through my website. Just try it, and I will check the analytics for it later. I'd really appreciate it to see what it does, and to see if I can start trending on YouTube, on Google as well as YouTube. And it might be very good for the channel. Thank you very much if you help me with that. Morning all, Moon Dance, good morning all. And would everybody please welcome Nate Miller back into the family, please. He's back again as a member. You know, we had a little bit of upset last week. He was upset with me, thought I was pumping and dumping the stock. He came in this morning, said he's sorry, and absolutely fine, of course. Doesn't even need to apologise, but it's very nice of him that he did. And he's come back as a bronze member. So huge thank you. Would everybody please welcome Nate Miller back into the family. Nate, are you on Discord? Because I can upgrade you again on Discord. I don't know if you ever used it. I can't remember. I haven't got a great memory. But there is Discord. If you're on Discord, come into Discord now, and I'll update you and make sure that you are a member. If you were a member before, which you were, and you used it, I hadn't taken it away. I always give you a bit of time before I take it away. All right, there we go. Yes, I am on Discord. Just pop into Discord now and tell me which one you are. Let me have a look. Scroll down, and I'll just make sure that you are a member. I may have already done it. But I can't see. No, I can't see. Oh, Tatum 272. Thank you very much. Let me scroll down. Tatum ST. Tatum 272. I don't see you on there. Oh, yeah, there you are. Tatum 272. Okay. Rolls. Yes, you're a member. I didn't take you away. I always leave it for a while. There you go. You are a member on Discord. I never took it away. So, good. You're over there. Now, Rio Tinto. Rio Tinto is going to be great this week. Of course, we've got the dividend, so it will go up. But more importantly than the dividend, a dividend's a good reason why you should be in a stock. But the more reason than the dividend payout is the fact that Rio Tinto, with its very good balance sheet and plenty of cash on the side, is able to get into solar and wind, and that's exactly what it's doing. And now with government backing, this is really good for the stock. I love it. Rio Tinto is screaming, buy me, buy me. The earnings, it's at the bottom of its trend right now, and we've got the investment in solar and wind, which is going to take over the world, and we've got the stocks, we've got the dividends. So I bought more, as you know, so I'm very happy with that, and I'm up 1%, nearly 1% this morning. My portfolio is up again now. I said to everybody, and hardly anyone agreed with me. I think I said, would Virgin Galactic... I love seeing it. The trouble is with me, I care about you guys more than my own money. You know I do. And I'm really upset because you know why. You know why I'm upset. I don't want to go on about it. You know exactly why. Subscribe and ring the bell if you've just tuned in. Thanks ever so much for being here. If you're over on TikTok, you're missing out on our cash giveaways. If you've just come in and you're not in our cash giveaway, let me know and you can be in our cash giveaway. So, Queen of Self-Braiding might be sponsoring, I believe, is it possible we can fundraise for him and I could share his video with you and the team? Yes. Yes. Queen of Self-Braiding, are you a silver member? Yes, you are, right? You've not had a fundraiser. Yes, we could do that for you. Absolutely. It's your fundraiser. If you want to do that, we can do that for you. I believe, let me just have a look. I believe that the Queen of Self-Braiding may have just... No, I thought... Did I see that? No, that was Mike. Sorry, I thought I saw it then. No, I didn't. I had a little notification on my thing. No. Okay. I think the Queen of Self-Braiding might be doing the sponsorship for next Sundays. It was Tom this week. Last week it was Caden. It might be the Queen of Self-Braiding. If you want to sponsor it, you can. The price is going up all the time, though, but you can book it 4 weeks ahead at the current number, and the current number is 190. Look, here is the number, 190 times 5 cents. So it's, oops, there you go. All right, it's going up all the time. So you can book it at today's price up to 4 weeks ahead. In a couple of weeks' time, we have Ali Tisro. He's already booked it in. So the Queen of Self-Braiding do a $10 super chat or a $10 cash out, and you can book it. Anyway, up 2%. So here we are. We're up on the day, we're up on the week, we're up on the month, and we're up. We're just about to go green on the 3 months as well. Okay, now then, we've got a really big week. We've got. Did everybody do that link for me? Can I just do a poll? Let me give you this. I'm trying to trend now. Number one, I get number one on certain videos on YouTube, but now I'm trying to get number one on Google, which is a much harder task, by the way. There is a link. There's a link to tonight's video through my blog. All right? It's how to trend on. I want to test it and see if it works. So, yes, sir. I'm going to ask a poll. Did you go to GOEV on my blog? Okay. And then click on the video. Click on the video for tonight. In fact, I can test it right now. I just thought, yes, if you go to that blog right now, click on the video and then leave a like. That way I can measure it and I can see if Google pick it up, all right? So what I'm asking you to do, is click on that link I just given you. I'll give it you again. It'll take you to my blog for tonight's show, right? What you see is this. Okay, hang on. What you'll see is this here. Hang on. Right, what you'll see is that. The Gove, see it? The Gove. And then click on the video. Click on the video like that. And then leave a like. And I will see if you do it. I can measure it. And I want to work out if I can trend on YouTube on Google by doing this. Right? Wow, 4 of you have done it. So click on the like. You might, if you want to leave a comment, you can. But it's, that's not what this is about. It's about clicking that like so I can measure it. I want to see if I go through a blog, so Google pick it up. I mean, this is just a test. I don't know what's going to happen, but you always learn, right? So there you go. I'll give it to you again. There you go. Any reason you have the read more section at top of the website? Read more. Is there any reason you have the read more section at the top? I don't know how to change it yet. I only started doing this last night. I honestly don't know. I would prefer the featured one to be at the top. So yeah, I've got to change that. Lights F, thank you very much for mentioning it. So look at that. I've got 78 of you. Yeah, so nearly 8 of you have done it. Oh, heart, no. Please don't apologise. You're pointing something out and I haven't done it yet. I'm learning how it works. And it might not work. I don't know what's going to happen. But anyway, we're looking at the stocks. Rio Tinto this week and Tesla split and Virgin Galactic is going straight back up. I asked everybody, would it go to $7? And I think it was overwhelmingly no. And I absolutely 100% say yes. But anyway. Cher Davis went over your YouTube. That doesn't make any sense. I don't understand what you mean. I'm on YouTube right now. I'm live all the time on YouTube. The link's in the profile. All right. Anyway. Done. Thank you, Peter Maycock. So we're watching Virgin Galactic, and we need to run a very, very quick commercial break. Bring everybody up to date. Make sure you are up to date. We thanks to everyone who took part in our cash giveaway on Friday. Can you believe it? That Bill won $100, and then we had the 2 prizes on Friday. Absolutely brilliant. Here comes a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 30 seconds. Here we go. And we're back in the house. All right. Okay. Now then, Virgin Galactic is up 2.2. Tesla. I have another mover. Oh, by the way, you remember now. You remember now. So, Nate Miller, I need to check your thing. LOTZ. Car lots. Now then, I like this online car stuff. I do. Vroom, all of it. Vehicle consignment. It's the future, no question. Online buying. Elon Musk has said it. Retail marketing technology provides metrics, data, and custom business intelligence reporting, corporate and vehicle sourcing partners. Just got some breaking news very quickly. I'll come back to it though. Gove is up today, nearly 5%. It's fallen back a little bit. We got the earnings tonight, folks. We got the earnings tonight. Lucy, where is it? Polestar, I just had it up a second ago. Your stock. Car lots. Yeah, here we go. Car lots. Let's have a little look at it. I'm not looking to buy in anything at the moment right now because we're having a pump. Right, it IPO'd 2019, popped up, fell all the way back, and we've had no real upswing apart from in June 21. All the way down. Hasn't gone below its IPO price by the looks of things. When did it IPO? It's fifth. I don't like the fact it's such a penny stock. It wasn't though. Look, it opened at $10. Peter Wilson's become a member. We got another new member this morning. Wow, we're on fire this morning. Thank you guys for being part of it. Peter Wilson, thanks for being part of my live shows. Here is the Discord link now if you want to be part of Discord. And once you get on the Discord, tell me your username and I will upgrade you because it's a manual upgrade. You don't see all the channels. I want to get out, believe me. Yeah, I see what you're trying to do. You're not trying to get in, you're trying to get out. Okay. I don't think this is for me though. Car lots, no. Free share IPO when I was when that happened. Free share IPO when that happened. Okay, Lights F, thank you very much. I have 3,300 shares, average of 85 cents. Ah, I see. Okay. Well, I wish you all the very best on that, Nate. I do. I wouldn't be in that right now. I'd be in Rio Tinto more than anything else at the moment. And Virgin Galactic never changed. Never ever changed. Going to $100 a share. Never doubted it. Not for a second. Not for a second. Not for a single second have I ever doubted Virgin Galactic. Not a second. All right. Let me see. 7 likes now. 7 likes. It looks like some of you have done it. Well, 7 of you have done it. Thank you very, very, very much this morning for doing this. I'm doing a test to try to rank #1 on Google for certain things. I rank #1 on YouTube for certain things, but not on Google. And I'm trying. So if you've just tuned in, here is my blog. I've started a new blog. And essentially what it is, and I want you to click on that one and scroll down to Gove. It's tonight's earnings. There it is. This is my blog page. And I'm going to feature videos and hopefully this will get it on Google. Regine Reyes has just joined me. If you could click on that link, scroll down to here and then click on the link here and it will take you to YouTube and then you can like the video. And if you do that, I can measure it and I can see if this actually works. It'll bring you to there and you can click the like button. See it there? Look. All right, all through my blog. Anyway, I really appreciate it if you could help me with that. We're doing some measuring. And I'm going to see if I start to rank. And this is what I'm looking for. Let me show you this. Look, this is the YouTube channel. It says here, look, is Gove a good stock to buy? So it's a question. And you don't see me right now, but you do see me if you go into the videos. And it might start moving up. Page 1, page 2. There I am. Look, on page 2 of the videos on Google. Look at that. Page 2 of Google now on the first day. So anyway, but I want to be here on the all section. I want them to decide to pick me as a video. Anyway, let's see what happens. Give it a few days. Rome wasn't built in 5 minutes. It was built in 2 days. Okay, so thank you very much indeed. Good morning, Regine. Good morning. Zach, did you get a payment system sorted out for your fundraisers and charities? We need to pick up our conversation on Discord. We need to get it finalized so I know. Market Profit is here. Lovely to have Market Profit here. So let's sort that out, please, Zach. Morning all. Nvidia just released disastrous earnings, almost 10% down pre-market. Nvidia, thank you very much indeed, Nvidia. Market Profit for that. Good morning, Marty. It's 3 p.m. It's after 3 p.m. here in South Africa. South Africa is going to be the fastest growing economy on the planet. Whoever gets into Africa, whoever gets part of Africa and gets involved there is going to be able to do so much good. Yes, I sent you a message on Discord. Thank you very much indeed. Let me pick that up. All right, I'll pick that up. I love Africa. I've performed all over Africa, and from Egypt to Kenya, all over the place. And I'd love to go back. Want to go to Uganda and see Zach. Virgin Galactic up 1.63. Virgin Orbit down slightly. Tesla, we've got the Tesla split coming up very soon. It's going to be $1,000 a share. Mark my words. Rivian doing well. We've got Gove earnings tonight, and we are covering Gove earnings. We've got 8 likes on it now. Thank you very much indeed for liking the video over there on Gove. Thanks a lot. We're trying to find out if we can rank on Google. I went to college in South Africa. There we go. The Queen of Self-Braiding. Oh, there we go. Rivian is now coming up. So if anybody wants to sponsor this Sunday's newsletter, it's still available. I think the Queen of Self-Braiding might be doing it, but I've had 2 inquiries. 2 people have said they're interested. Right now it's $10, Super Chat or Cash Out, whichever you like, and you can have a space. And it was Tom last week. I hope everybody saw it. Did you all enter the competition? Did you all find the competition video? If you're watching right now and you've not entered, if you've not signed up for the weekly newsletter, it's now 190 readers. So a great way to promote whatever it is you're doing as well. And the readership is very, very loyal. There is the email, the link you need for the newsletter. But please listen to this part first. Make sure that you verify the email. The email will always go into your junk folder. You're looking for the day trader at martynlucas.com. 50 people now have not verified. If you didn't receive the email, try it again. Ask for the verification email again, and it will come to you. All right, and then just look in the junk box. There are over 50 people now who are not in the draw, who don't get any benefits because they've not verified the email. They don't listen to the instructions. All right. Okay. Subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, and thank you very much. If you're over there on Twitch, you should all have a tab open on Twitch, because my subscribers on Twitch, which is free using Amazon Prime, get in our monthly draw for free. You haven't got to do anything. You've just got to subscribe to me once and forget about it. Use Amazon Prime Gaming, which is free, and then you will subscribe to me on Twitch for free, and you'll be in the monthly draw for free. We only have 8 subscribers, and 2 of those aren't in the draw because it's me and my wife Leah. So a very good chance for you to win money for free on Twitch. Okay. You haven't even got to watch me there. It's free money. Hey, the Queen, says Zach. Okay, overall we're up 1.44. Where do we see the market going today? Where do we see it going today? I'm expecting a green day. I predicted it over the weekend. Rio Tinto, because not only have we got the buy-ins for the dividends, but we've also got now them getting involved in wind and solar. Virgin Galactic, I'm expecting to see it above $7 today, heading towards 8 again. Still believe it will be $100. Tesla, I'm expecting to see $1,000 over the next 2 or 3 days, maybe by Thursday, maybe Wednesday, because of the stock split. Rivian, and not only that, what's coming on the next earnings. More importantly, what's coming on the next earnings. Rivian's going up. We are covering Gove, and we are covering our other requested stocks as well. We were asked to cover Arrival and Rivian, and we're covering both of those as well on our show. So that's coming up later this week. So you are going to bring it to you. Okay. Amazon. Right. How many people did click on did you go to my Gove on my blog? Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. 14 of you. I think, 14, 13 of you? Something like that, 13 of you have done it. If you said you've done it, but I've only got 8 likes. So if you've said you've done it, you might just complete the process. Here is the blog. Here is the blog. Here is the blog. It's a way to access my videos through my website. Here is the blog. But what I want you to do is when you get there, is you find the Gove blog, see here, which is right there, Gove earnings is tonight, and just click on the video like that, and it brings you there, and leave a like. Just leave a like. We're trying to find out if I can now trend on Google. That is the idea. We've got 8 likes, and like 13 of you have said you've done it. So just click on the like button so I can measure it, and I want to see if I can actually rank on Google. And that would be really, really great. Right, market profit. Nearly every index is very overbought to levels not seen since mid-2021 frenzy. If bulls want this to last, we need a breather to reset technicals. If not, we could be setting up for a big sell-off. Market profit. Did you not think, or have you changed your mind, your opinion? You said that this bear rally could last for months. Do you still not see that happening? Do you see it now all crashing down? What is your opinion? I'd like to know what your opinion on that is. Let me know. I really would like to know what your opinion on that is. Because I see it running for a while, but I would like to know what your thoughts are. Yes, I still believe in it, he says, but things can't just go vertical for a week after a week. You need small rest between these rallies for them to be sustainable. Okay. Now, I agree with you that it's gonna keep going, but do you think then once we hit some sort of height, is it gonna just slow down, or is it going to, or and just hold for a while, to stabilize, or do you see it then completely reversing to basically just be a huge rally, suck everybody in, get it to absolute heights, and then dump everything? Do you see that happening? I'd be very interested to see. Regine Reyes has liked it. Thank you, Regine. I see it. Thank you very much. That's for tonight's earnings. Thank you very much for clicking on my blog. Appreciate it. Massive, huge. Let's rank on #1 on Google. Let's really take off. Be amazing, right? Wouldn't it be amazing? Anyway, Rio Tinto. This is the buy of the week. The S&P is coming up. We've got just 12 minutes to go. New cryptos landed. Avalanche and Stellar. Avalanche, breaking news here on Robinhood. Avalanche and Stellar, Paul B, Avalanche and Stellar have just arrived on Robinhood. What do you make of that? What do you make of that? Stellar and Avalanche have just arrived on Robinhood. Any thoughts on that? You're the man to answer that question, I'm sure. Right, the portfolio is going up. We're up on the live. We're up on the day. We're up on the week. We're up on the month, 17%. We are very close now to up on 3 months. Not long to go. What's up, guys? Church of Logic, how are you? Definitely a return. Am I in the market? Yes. Am I all in? Yes. Am I all in for the next 10 years? Yes. Yep, breaking news. Avalanche, which is AVAX, and Stellar, XLM, is now on Robinhood. Breaking news. All right. So I know that's important. So all right, let me do a quick bulletin. Let me do a quick bulletin video. Mark the time. 44. This is good for the stock. 44 mins. XLM and AVAX. Okay. Okay, here we go. We want to cover this, so let's get this in. Big day today for Robinhood, of course. Avalanche and XLM. So, breaking news here on the Day Trader. More crypto being added to Robinhood all the time. Robinhood keeps on adding more crypto assets. It gets better all the time. This is today. We've now got Avalanche, which is ticker symbol AVAX. And we've also got Stellar, which is XLM. I am very, very bullish long term with Robinhood. It beats every other brokerage for the way you use it. It's user-friendly for its fees. In fact, there are no fees, the way you can have your own wallet now. It's adding all the crypto, but for many, many months I said Shiba was coming and everyone said it wouldn't. Well, it did. Robinhood, as far as I'm concerned, is one of the best, if not the best, online brokerage ever. I love it. I absolutely love it. I know the share price is taking a hit right now, but it's a long-term play. Do not expect to make money from this stock long-term. It will make money. I've made money from the stock, and I'm holding some. I'm trying to buy some more when it dips further, because I believe it will, because it's losing money right now. In this very difficult market with no one's got any money, Robinhood is losing money. But it's adding more products. It will go global. It will be a global brokerage, which I'm very excited. First of all, it will come to Canada, then the UK. But the great news today is Avalanche and XLM. I'm not a crypto expert. I don't invest in this. I invest in Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BSV. That's it. And right now, I'm hardly in that at all. I'm waiting for the big crash to come, which I still believe will come. But nevertheless, breaking news today is more crypto being added to Robinhood. As you can see, Avalanche and Stellar are both up today, 5.58, and Stellar is up 4.6, ahead of Uniswap, which was added last week. Let me know what you think about that in the comments below. Should Robinhood keep adding all these crypto? We did a debate earlier on. Should Robinhood add all of the crypto, or just stick to the big ones, the main ones? What do you think? We had an overwhelming majority saying they should add everything and people can decide for themselves. But let me know in the comments, should Robinhood include all these coins and assets to their portfolio, to their service? Anyway, there you go. That's the news today. Avalanche and Stellar has been added to Robinhood. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbs up on that one there. Avalanche and Stellar. Okay, here we go. All right, we got that. Brilliant. Put that out later. Only the major ones. Yeah, that's what I said. Two good projects added on Robinhood. XLM is working. XLM is a workman, like Coin. Both coins in the top 30. There you go. Thank you very much, Paul B. Just missed your comment. You would have been included in the video there, but never mind. Maybe next time. All right. Okay, never mind. Let's go back. We've got 5 minutes before the bell goes. Over the counter, by the way, has just been added to Robinhood. Don't know if anybody saw that. Over the counter has just been added to Robinhood as well. Crypto dick butts, Ethereum NFT up 690%. Crypto dick butts? What's all that about? Ethereum NFT up 690% since launch last week. Until stuff like this goes away, the crypto market hasn't crashed enough. No, I agree. Crypto market profit. You're doing me like your credits. Yeah, you were about to be in the video, but not. Yeah, 1 second earlier, you would have been in. I was just finishing off as you popped in. Anyway, crypto, yeah, I agree with you. It's why, even though Ethereum is up like 65% where I was, and I only have $1.66, I'm waiting for it to fall back down, and it doesn't matter. I might miss it. I might be the guy who sits on the outside, but I own a tiny bit of Bitcoin. That's okay, and I own plenty of BSV. That's fine, and I'm buying it when it goes down, but it's okay because my money's working elsewhere, and I'm making far higher at the moment on other things with much more stability. So it doesn't matter. My money's invested. It's not like I'm sat on the sidelines waiting for Ethereum or whatever to fall down. My money is invested anyway. Right. Ha ha, says Mike. Yeah, he thought that was funny, especially Mike because he always gets in on the credits. When the day trader grows his members to grow. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Always tag me in a comment, by the way. It stands out. It's another good way to get your mention if you do the @ sign. Right, let's have a little look. We've got just 4 minutes to go, 3.5 in fact. If anyone did anyone click on the Go video? Oh yes, 13 likes. Now then, this is working. This is working. So we're trying to rank now #1 on YouTube, on Google. We get Google, YouTube for different things. We're now trying to rank on Google, which was my ultimate plan a year in. So we're a couple of months behind when I wanted to do it. But anyway, there is my blog. It's and I want everyone to click on it, and 18 of you have. And I wonder if that's now starting to get on to YouTube, because that's ridiculous. Sorry, Google. What you will come up to is my blog page and the Gove one. Click on this. This video is a link. This video is a link. Click on it, and once you get there, 13 likes. You can click a like, and it's a way to see if I can rank through Google now for my videos. It's another way of promoting a video. If you put a video into a blog, then hopefully, I don't know, I'm just testing it out. At the moment, it doesn't. I answer a question, is Gove a good stock to buy? At the moment, I don't rank on it at the moment, but I'm hoping I will. That's the idea. And once I start ranking for one, I'll rank for another one. Anyway, 2 minutes to go. We're watching the markets. We're watching Tesla. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Look at this. It's moved up. So you can move the market. You can move the market. Look. Look, I'm on page 2 now. I've moved up. Look. On the Google homepage. On the Google homepage. Look. That's Google. Is Gove a good stock to buy? A question on page 2. On page 2. On the main channel, not on the video tab. There it is. It's popped up. Fantastic. On day 1. Oh, now we're going to rank #1 on Google. Get in. Best channel in the world. You're missing out if you're not part of this. Even with this first leg down in crypto, honestly, you don't see Ethereum falling too far back. You might be right. You might be right, Paul B. But let the stock come to you. Right, 1 minute to go. Here we go. Here we go. Stocks are going up. I said that Virgin Galactic will go up to $7 again today. And most people said no, it wouldn't. Well, it's heading towards $100. It really is. It really is. It was oversold. How do I know that? Not because of this trend line. Not because it's better than the quarter ago, which it is. Not because of that. Not because of that. Because I know where the stock's going ultimately. I would never imagine a comment coming like that from Paul B. Call me shocked. Shocked. All right, 10 seconds to go. Very exciting. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Ring the bell. Here we go. 688, 685, 685, 686, 688, 689. I said $7 today, and most people doubted me. Right, here we go. Up 1.7. Rio Tinto is going to have an amazing week, not because of the dividends. Not because of the dividends, because it's joining Enphase Energy. It's not joining Enphase Energy. It's joining what Enphase Energy is doing. Wind and solar. Rio Tinto is getting into that. So you've now got a stock that's one of the best mining companies in the world, has a fantastic dividend history, and now getting into the new future with solar and wind. Look at it. Not only have we got the stocks, not only have we got a great position, not only have we got a great mining company, we're gonna have we might have one of the best solar and wind. It's got plenty of money to get involved in it, and with that dividend payout as well, it's very attractive. Look at that, up 1.27. Virgin Galactic down 682, 684. Virgin Orbit's coming up. Tesla is going to be Arrival. We are covering Arrival's earnings. We're covering Arrival's earnings as well. I can't call you shocked. You're right more often than me, Market Profit. Arrival is going to be a good earnings. We are covering it. We are also covering, Arrival on Rivian. We're also covering Rivian. I expect Rivian earnings to be good as well. Look at Arrival. Up 6.6. Do you follow Plug Power? I do from time to time, James. I do from time to time. I'll do something on it for you. Remember, I'll have a look at it in a minute for you. I love the company. Amazon up 1.2. I'm up 15% on Amazon right now. The overall portfolio, we're up on the live, we're up on the day, we're up on the week, we're up on the month. Are we up on 3 months? Just $200 away from 3 months. There we go. Getting better and better and better. Made 5,000 on Plug last year. Very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. Right, Gove. This is the big story. They are reporting tonight. We are covering it. You all know that because we are trying to rank on Google for is Gove a good stock to buy. We're trying to rank on Google. So we're working on it. And all of you guys clicking on it are making a difference. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am 5th now. I am 5th on the video page on Google. Thank you guys. We're reporting it tonight. Here we are. Look, we are now 5th on the videos on Google. Look, on the first page of the video section, we are 5th now. There we go. For a brand new search term. Love it. People power. And remember, if I get 1 million subscribers and I make millions of dollars, you guys are going to get it. You know that. The charities I support, the members, everyone. The bigger I get, the bigger you get. It's all about the family, right? 42.7. Here we go. We're up 2.39 today. That must mean I'm up over 3 months. Yep, I'm up over 3 months now. So we are virtually wiping the board. Live, day, week, month, 3 months. There we go. Back to the main portfolio. Now what we got to do is get back for 21,000, 17,000, 28% to go. Arrival is going all the way up. We are, look at Arrival, up 8 point. The earnings is exciting. We are recovering the earnings later this week. We are covering the earnings of Rivian and Arrival, both of them. Tonight with the other EV, with the deal with Walmart. Very exciting. Very exciting stuff. Right. Let's go back. Tesla's going to explode this week as well. Tesla, $1,000 this week. $1,000 this week. The earnings next quarter will be the best in history. We've also got the AI day not that long ago. Not that long to go, I apologize. Not that long to go. Very, very important for Tesla. Absolutely. All right? Very, very important stuff. Really, really excited. I tell you what, I'm really, really excited about it. We have moved up to second spot on the second page of Google. The second spot on, look at that, folks. We are up to the second spot now. We're nearly on page 1 of Google in the first half an hour we've been promoting this. Look at that, look. Look at that. We are now on the second page. 1 from the top. Brilliant. Okay. People power. Like Alma Tomatoes, outstanding in your field. Arrival to $5 when they announce full production. Totally. Tarek, I agree. Arrival earnings is Thursday. I'm covering it on the show. Yes, 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 yes. I'm covering it on the show. When Elon loses his lawsuit with Twitter, he will sell a bunch of his shares and Tesla will tank. No, that's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. I don't see it happening at all. The stock split normally doesn't do anything in a bear market, only in a bull market, but we are acting like a bull market. Rio Tinto, my biggest tip of the day. Rio Tinto, solar, wind, it's going to be like Enphase Energy. If you miss out on this now, well, I don't know what to say. Not only have you got is it 6% dividend being paid, it's typically 13, but 6%, I believe, this week being paid out. On top of that, you've got the investment in wind and solar. So there you go, Rio Tinto. 1.51. Vanguard S&P. Virgin Galactic, I said, will hit $7 today. Elon to buy Twitter with Doge. Virgin Galactic, I said it will hit $7 today. It's going to $8 and it's going to $100. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. And I've been making those videos when it went down. Right? Judge me on the fact that I said that when it was down. 895. SoFi. We're pumping this morning. Rivian. Oh my gosh. Lucid. This is a huge lift off this morning. Polestar. Arrival up 11% now. Arrival is up. Oh my gosh, this could be huge. This could 10x. This could triple in the next by Thursday on the earnings. If their earnings is good, oh my god. I mean, Arrival is like an oversold, overshorted penny stock. I mean, seriously. I mean, you don't need to own a lot. And it sounds like, well, why am I only up $91? Why am I only up $91? I've got 428. These are penny. This like $1.85. This will start going to $10. I mean, that's 5 times what I've got now. That's $4,000 from 8 to 4,000. I mean, that's not a bad profit, is it? Anyway, Amazon, Apple, Robinhood. I'm waiting to get Robinhood below 10, close to 12% short interest on Arrival. Everyone's trying to bring it down. It's just like Tesla. Same thing. People have no innovation sometimes. I don't understand it. I have no idea of concept of innovation and where the world's going. To me, it's so clear. So clear. It beggars belief sometimes that people can't see what's obvious to me. I'm not even going to say it. Look at that. AMC and GME pause for volatility. Looks like we're having one final big squeeze. AMC and GME. AMC and GME. That's breaking news from Market Profit. I should sell some puts on Arrival since I got enough shares. There we go. That's from Church of Logic. Up. Wow. Let's check the 3 months position now. We're doing very well on 3 months. Yes, up on 3 months now comfortably. What is it now? 27. 16 grand to go. 16 grand to go. Wow. Rio Tinto. This is the stock of the day. I'm telling you. You miss out on that one. If you've just tuned in, I'm going to take a 30-second break. And I'm going to bring up Mr. Mini-Me. And I want everyone to like the video. We've got 33 watching, only 25 likes. Smash the like button. Be part of our family here. We're trying to grow the best YouTube channels in the world. You've got money and music. There are 2 channels side by side, the money and the music, all underpinned with love and commitment. That's what these channels are all about, the music and the money. Together we can change the world for the better. Smash the like button. I'll be right back in 30 seconds from now. And I'm back. All right, we're back in the house. Great stuff. Nearly 30 likes right now. Brilliant. Arrival up 14% now. Let's go back to Arrival. Okay, Arrival. We need to put a video out for Arrival. Let's see if I can go. Let's see if I can rank on Google for Arrival now. Let's have a look. Let's go over to it. I've just realised my ticker isn't running. How could I forget my ticker? Unbelievable. Bring it in. Okay, Arrival. Okay, here we go. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Arrival is up 13.22%. I'll share with you my actual trade, my actual position. This is what I've got. I've got 428 shares of it. I don't need any more shares than that to reach my $200,000 portfolio by the end of next year, 100,000 by the end of this year. Some of my investors say I'll be at 100,000 by November, 200,000 by November. I don't see that happening, but there you go. Some of my investors and my viewers do. Arrival. Now, why Arrival is so important today is because the earnings is around the corner. We are covering it here on the Day Trader. If you click up here, it'll take you to the Arrival earnings. Very, very important earnings. You don't want to miss it. We are also covering later today, we are covering Gove. Gove has got the deal, Canoe has got the deal with Walmart for its vans. So very similar field, very similar industry. If you click here, that will take you to the earnings for tonight. Please do join us for the earnings tonight. We'll have a very, very quick look and I'll show you Gove position right now. This is Gove, which is G-O-E-V. Look at it right now, looking good. And the news tonight is going to be good. Arrival is lining up perfectly and so is Gove. Very, very exciting. So we are all excited here on the Day Trader, as you can see. My overall portfolio, I'll share that with you now. That's where we are today. Here we go. This is my overall portfolio. And as you can see, I'm up 4% again today. This is my portfolio, heavily weighted in EVs, technology, space, the future, wind and solar. That's what this is all about. Very, very little, hardly any insignificant crypto. And I'll show you where we are right now. We're up on the live position. We're up on the day position. We're up on the week. We are up on the month. We are up on the 3 months. Recession, depression, don't see it here on my portfolio, but we're always mindful, we're always wary, we're always aware that this could change at any point. But if you invest in the future, stocks that change the world, you'll probably be okay. And Arrival is one of those. Join us for all the earnings this week here on the Day Trader. All right, let's do a quick thumbs up. Let's get rid of the ticker. There we go. All right, there we go. That's Arrival. Bring that back in again. What time did we put that out? That went out at 1:07. All right. 1 hour 7. ARVL. Okay. Hey, oh, you will do. You will do. Paul B says, you will. Hi, says Caden. Space is spiking. Do you know, I can't enjoy it. I can't enjoy it. And you know why? I 100%. 100%. Our friend Rob Brennan. Are you watching, Rob? Rob Brennan was all in on this stock. He totally was in it with me. He totally saw where it was going. But he did it with margin and he set, it forced him, he had no choice to set a limit order. And on the earnings, it just sold everything for 30 grand loss. You know, that's not out. It's not how to manage your portfolio. And I said it's going to go straight back to 8, and it is. Anyway, if I just show you what I mean on the last quarter, this was the last quarter fail. It's for chart readers who draw trend lines. I mean, you can see it as clear as day, but that's not really what I'm talking about. Peter Wilson, Tilray going well today. Tilray Brands is one of my stocks. Tilray Brands This is one of my stocks. This one also will 10x as well in the coming months. Germany has already reported that they are legalizing it. It's coming to the US. You can see it. So this is just a matter of time. So let's cover Tilray as well. Another one. I just can't enjoy SPCE. It's not about my money. It's about all of your money. And I just can't. I've got to get over it, haven't I? I've got to get over our friend's loss. Okay. Let's have a look. 109. These are videos to come out later on today, and I hope you'll check them out and promote the channel, which promotes the stock. Here we go. Tilray. I've got shares in it, as you know. I wouldn't promote it if I didn't. Right, here we go. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Tilray Brands, another of my positions, looking very, very good today. Why is it up today? Well, we know about Germany legalizing, about to legalize Tilray Brands, and we're going to see it in America. And when we do, this stock will 10x, minimum of 10x. We're very excited. This is my actual position right now. We are getting a bit of a profit taking now. That's perfectly normal, but it could bounce back up again. I have 448 shares. I'm up 11%. Now remember how I managed this stock. I was down 24% 2 weeks ago. I looked at the earnings. Everything about the earnings was great, even though everybody sold out. Remember, I don't listen to what everybody else is doing. When everybody else is selling, I'm buying, just like Warren Buffett. Do your own things, believe in what you believe in, and don't sell out just because everyone has fear. Fear is the worst thing in the stock market, and it is everyone's friend who has no fear. It's my best friend. When everybody sells, I look at the stock and go, why are you selling? And I buy. Simple as that. And Tilray Brands, I'm not a smoker. I don't even smoke tobacco, let alone anything else. Not interested in the stock, but I am. So it goes against my entire principles of buying a stock, I have to say. But I am very interested in making money, and I like making money. I find it most enjoyable, if I'm quite honest with you. So this is Tilray Brands. No brainer, really. Tilray Brands looking great today. Very happy with this. It will 10x, and as soon as it gets legalized in the US, which it will, then this stock will 10x. It doesn't come with a dividend, nothing exciting like that, but there is Tilray Brands. We got a great week this week lined up. We are covering Gove earnings tonight. Click here for the after hours earnings. It's going to be fantastic. And also later in the week, another great stock. Several stocks are going to be great. We've got the earnings for Arrival. If you click here, there's the earnings for Arrival. Do you want another top tip? Something else that's going to be great this week? Here it is. If you click, I'll give you another couple of seconds. I need to put a gap in between. Another one will be the Rivian earnings. Yep, you've heard me say it. Rivian, I made money when it went up to 170 bucks, sold it, traded it hundreds of times, and now own it for under $30. That's going to do well here in the week as well. Click here if you want to go to the Rivian earnings. Very, very good indeed. Okay, so there we go. Tilray Brands, 10x, no question about it. I'm holding it. I'm not buying anymore. I never need to buy anymore, ever. I've invested all the money I need for the next 10 years. Every month for the next 10 years, the money I would have put in, I've put in now in the market now. I've bought an historic crash, and I've bought companies that have the future, not old companies, companies that invest in the future. That's why I'm in. That's why I'm bullish. I'm always optimistic. I'm always happy. Look below if you want to be in our cash giveaway. You know Mr. Beast gives money away all the time. Well, he gives everybody else's money away. I give my own money away. And every week we have a cash giveaway. Look below in the video, in the description, to find our cash giveaway. And make sure you verify the email. 50 people haven't verified their email, and they'll never be in the draw. Look in your junk folder for the email, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Have a great day. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, ticker. Here we go. All right. We're making videos. We're ranking on Google. I love it. All of these will be on my blog later on. Now then, if you've just tuned in today, If you've just tuned in today, this is going to be a historic week. We've got Tesla with a stock split, another stock split. We're up now 4.64. I can't believe it. I'm just scared to look at Virgin Galactic because it's way over $7. 708, 709. It's going to be at $8 very, very soon, and $100 incoming. It's incredible the amount of aggression I got from people on YouTube. The amount of people that messaged me saying, ha ha, you said it would be 10, ah, you're an idiot, you said it'd be 100. Yep, still do. Still do. I haven't changed a thing. It's going to be the Tesla of space. It can't be SpaceX, and even though I love Elon Musk and SpaceX, it can't. And it can't be, and it also can't be Blue Origin either. It can't. I'm here. Just woke up and WEBULL account doesn't make sense. Says my day trade buying power is $4,000 along with 1,000 overnight buying power. I don't understand because I didn't make deposits. The reason why that might be, Robert Brown, is I'm not a WEBULL fan, but the reason for that, your stocks might be up and they've increased your margin. Check your overall portfolio. You're probably up. I don't know why you keep saying this was a historic crash. This was barely a dip compared to historic crashes. Well, I can't answer that, honestly. In my opinion, it is an historic crash. The way we had the market crash in my book, I've not studied the markets for years and years and years. You're absolutely right. There's been bigger crashes. I get what you're saying. But if we go to the S&P 500, let's look at it right now. Hang on. Where is it? Where's the S&P 500? Why am I not showing it? Oh, there we go. Let's have a look. Over the last 5 years, I'm only really interested over the last 5 years. I know there's been bigger crashes in the past. There is. But I'm looking at a different world now. I'm looking at technologies that are changing the world. So companies that have been around forever, really, they don't really have a say in where we're going. Like, for example, Ford, for example. I'm looking at new technologies. And, well, new technologies, wind, solar, EVs, space, really, they've only been something to get excited about for the last 5 years, 10 years, maybe not even 10. So we had a huge dip here, of course, with COVID, and we had a bigger dip, which, I mean, this is like one of the worst pandemics in history, right? Unless you're going to include the Black Death, I suppose. But this is one of the worst downturns in history. What happened there, and the market rebounded back, and this was worse. So surely this is a good time to buy when we're at a time when EVs are exploding. I'm not saying this is a huge crash if you're investing in old school stocks, Ford, I don't know, things that have been around forever. But if you're looking for the future stocks, if you're investing in EVs, you're investing in space, wind and solar, then this is a huge crash. On that basis, not the overall market. I can only look at my portfolio. I can't, the overall, I mean, the S&P 500 could be down today and I could be up. I mean, it's about my overall portfolio, right? Anyway, if FOMO is a strong day, must control it. The FOMO is strong today, must control myself. Fear of missing out. Yes, indeed. Don't buy anything. I haven't bought anything for ages. Arrival microfactories are a game changer. I agree with you. It's a totally different world now. My stocks are only up at $200, but I decided to buy some stock, and it said I had to sell stock by 5 p.m. I don't know. Super weird. I don't know then, Robert. That sounds very odd, doesn't it? Every huge crash is a huge opportunity. That's the quote of the day. I like that one. Right, okay, here we go. We're up 4.79. Rio Tinto. Rio Tinto is now going into... Now, there's an example. There's an example, right? Rio Tinto, 1962, been around. Had some dips, look, right? But what we're about to get now, Rio Tinto, a mining company. Who would have thought a mining company would be interested in solar and wind? Well, they are. They're now putting their money into that. So they are at the beginning of an S-curve, and a brand new S-curve. What they may have experienced 20, 30 years ago. I'm not really interested in what they did 20, 30 years ago. I'm interested in what the future holds, and the future is wind and solar. alongside what they're mining for the products that we need, right? So I think that Rio Tinto is at the edge of a new S-curve. The new FIFA World Cup song is not as good as the previous one. How is that relevant to anything? Thanks for dropping it in, though. Appreciate it. Over there on TikTok, up crazy on my spy calls. Spy, Vu, same thing. Welcome to all of you over there on TikTok. Thanks for all the follows. Tilray. Let's go back to Tilray. Let's have a look. Ethereum is up 5.41. Making a bad FIFA song is like a criminal offence. I totally agree, play. And in my opinion, there is only one football song in the history of the world ever. And it's called 3 Lines on a Shirt. That's the only one that counts. It's the only song in the world that has any that counts. And that just beats by the smallest of margins. The smallest of margins. God save our... there you go. Just by the smallest of margins. Ginkgo Bioworks. There we go. DNA. Look at this one. Up now. I'm up 120 shares of Ginkgo Bioworks. Great news. Tilray Brands exploding. 7.82. Up 11% today. 7.7%. Up 11% overall. I was down 24%. I doubled up when it dipped, and I'm glad I did. On semiconductors, up 31% just at the beginning. Canoe, we are reporting it tonight. If you want to be on our earnings report tonight, and you want to help Gove become #1 on Google, not just YouTube, Google, please help me out. Click on this link now I'm giving you, and this link will bring you to this page here, which is my brand new blog page, and it's the Gove earnings. Please, please, please. I'm trying to rank #1. I'd already ranked #1 on Google, YouTube, but I want to rank #1 on Google. Click on this video in the blog page. So you've come through my website. All right. Really, really cool. And all you got to do is like the video for tonight. There you go. 14 of you have already liked it. Please, please do that. It would really, really help the channel. Tilray Brands is pumping, exploding right now. We've got really big news now, up 11%. Tilray Brands. We're going back to Tilray Brands right now. I want to report this to you. This is absolutely huge. Look, Tilray Brands, everybody. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Tilray Brands is exploding again. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Unbelievable. Tilray Brands is exploding again today. 12%. 12% now. Unbelievable. Tilray Brands is up today, nearly 12%. All right, just for those of you that are supporting the channel, and little update, my Go video is now in 5th place on Google, and it's also bringing up my other stocks. Look, my Apple video is ranking as well. Look, see, when one ranks, they all rank. Look at that. It's now on the first page of the YouTube channel on videos. We're trying to get it onto the general page, and if everyone clicks on it, we can get it up there. And quick sell, what, of Tilray? Are you having a laugh? No way. Not doing that at all. Oh, amazing. Right, there we go. You don't want to sell Tilray. I don't care if it goes back down again. It's going to be 10x. No question. Right, we're up to 43,000 now. 44,000's around the corner. Rio Tinto, big week for Rio Tinto. We've got the earnings. We've got the dividend, and we've got the solar and wind investment. Vanguard S&P is at 1%. I'm at 5% now on the S&P. Virgin Galactic is now 7.10, 7.11, 7.12, 7.13. It's going all the way back to $8. Tilray Brands now up 11% and still pumping. Virgin Orbit is now 410. Tesla, $1,000. It could be at $1,000 today. I said it by Thursday though, but or did I say Wednesday? Can't remember. Wednesday, Thursday. Does it really matter? It's going to $1,000 on the stock split. It's coming. I'm up 27% now on Tesla. Key earnings movers. Palantir Technologies, it collapsed today. Palantir shares died 14%, while Tyson moved more than 5% in the early trade. Yeah, I don't like Palantir, always said it. I sold out of it. I don't know if I ever made any money on it. I can't remember, but I don't own it. Anyway, the earnings was had some good parts to it, but never mind. It sold out, a bit like SPCE, I suppose. Had a reasonable earnings, and everybody got excited and then dumped it for some reason. Anyway, I don't know enough about Palantir, so I can't comment. Lucid is up today. That's doing very, very well. Polestar is up 2%, it's driving all the EV space. Arrival is up 13% today. Big news. We are reporting the Arrival earnings and the Rivian earnings. 15 likes now on my canoe. Thank you very much indeed, and thank you very much indeed for going through the website, through the blog. That's absolutely nuts. I really do appreciate that. That's really kind of cool. Really kind of cool, guys. Thank you very much indeed for that. All right. I'm just waiting for my video to be on the first page of YouTube. I keep looking back thinking, go on, get in. Be on the first page of YouTube as the suggested video. We're just one away from the first page. We're at number 2. We're number 1 on the second page. All right. See if we can get there today. Right. Tilray Brands is still going up, by the way. It's 11%. It's holding 11% up. Day trader of the day. Rio Tinto is going back up again. S&P is up as well. Virgin Galactic, 708. Tesla. Rivian. The Iron Condor says take your profits. Take your profits. On what? Tilray Brands? No. No. Tilray Brands, it can fall back. I don't care. It can fall back. I don't mind. I own it at a very, very cheap price. I'm keeping this stock now. It's not about the price. It's not about the price. I invest in the value of where the company's going, not the price. Price is irrelevant. It's the value. This isn't a profit. 14% isn't a profit. I want 400% profit. And it will get there in time. It might not happen today. Might not happen this year, but it will get there. I would play football on Mars. Football has no stocks. Play, how you doing? Why don't you remember? You should be a member like everybody else. Why don't you remember? If you remember, I'd put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I'd make videos for you, promote your channel, follow you on social media. I don't know why you're not a member. You're always here. And there you go. There's the invitation to join. And you get onto Discord as well. And you get all the perks and benefits of that as well. Right, now then. For those of you who don't know, every Friday we do a cash prize giveaway. Let me give everyone the link to it right now. Here it is. And make sure that you do verify. Thank you very much, Leah. Mike, Leah just bought me a cup of coffee. Email. There's the email. And make sure that you verify the email. This is the email you're looking for. It always goes into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize giveaway. Okay, we got day trader of the day. Tilray Brands is holding. Let me go back to it right now. Tilray Brands is now just below 11% up. Play just bought me a beer. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much indeed. Prefer a super chat, but your prediction for space. Alex, 45100. Wow. Well, I am probably the most optimistic bull for Virgin Galactic. Why? Because it was nearly 20% of my portfolio. It dropped down because of the earnings. Earnings was great. People do not understand. I unsubscribed Elon because he could never talk about football. We talk about football if it's relevant to the show. Anyway, 100%. 100% Virgin Galactic is going to $100. I'm going to the spaceport in the UK in October. On the 15th of October, I'm going to be at the spaceport. We're having a convention. If you want to be there, $50, $50 in the £50 or $50 in the super chat, you'll be sent a ticket. You could be there with me. I'm doing that. I'm also going to go to the the spaceport in New Mexico. I'm very much involved with Virgin Galactic. I know it's going to $100. I rank #1 for it on YouTube, SPC stock. I'm always #1. I make more videos than anybody else. We're trying now to rank on Google as well for #1 for Virgin Galactic. I am all in on this stock. It dipped down the other day. I'm not buying any more. I don't ever need to buy any more because I know exactly what I want my portfolio to do. This all started from $5,000. It'll be $100,000 by the end of this year and $200,000 by the end of next year. And then I move into dividend stocks. I own my own house. I've got no mortgage, no car loan. I know exactly what my objectives are. I know where Virgin Galactic is going. If it goes to $4, I will double up. That's the worst case scenario. But I know it's going to go all the way to $100. And every time I say that, when it dips, people laugh. And the moment it goes up, they go, oh, hang on a minute, maybe it could be right. Why is he going to the spaceport? Why is he getting involved? Well, Sir Richard Branson, don't know him personally, but I know I've followed him all my life. And I know where he's going because I'm in entertainment. I'm the world piano man, as you all know. And I know exactly where he's going with the Virgin experiences. And that's where the money is. This is my TV studio. I'll give you a wave. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. And there you go. Thanks, Leah, Mike said. Below all my videos, if you want to get yourself a day trader mug, you can. Not the live videos, the regular videos. My little shop, you can go and check out my mugs, t-shirts and hats. If you want to buy something, you can. I mean, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you own a mug? It's a lucky mug, right? Okay, here we go. Up 4.5 today. Falling back just slightly. Just slightly. Right. Okay, Rio Tinto falling back a little bit. Tilray Brands now. Tilray Brands has hit another target. 12% up now. Just dropped back. It was at 12% a second ago. Virgin Galactic. Right, I need to do this as well. This is very, very important. We've got Day Trader of the Day. So let's bring everybody up to date as well. We need to find out who our top traders are. Thank you all of those of you that did actually click on the Go video. 15 of you did through my blog. Thank you so much, helping us rank here on Google. The more we do, the more we grow, the more we can give away. That's what this show is all about. If you've watched it, you'll know that. We're trying to grow the best YouTube channels in the world. Music on the other channel, money on this channel, and hey, Stacy! Stacy, I so enjoy listening to you and watching you. Stacy, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Here's Stacy. Let's put Stacy. We got a guest. We get very few ladies on the show. We have, what, 5% ladies? Very, very few ladies. A few. Our girls from Italy, of course. Queen of Self-Braiding. And Stacey, it's lovely to have you here. Would everybody please welcome Stacey in? Stacey, my name is Martyn Lucas, known as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. How are you doing? We've raised over $1 million here. We're trying to be better than Mr. Beast. We have a group of channels, the music channel, the money channel, all underpinned with love and commitment. Many, many hours a day. And would everybody please put their cities and countries in, and please welcome our guest, Stacey, in the house. You all know I'm from the UK, Cornwall, but my studio is from Dallas, Texas. And everybody please put their cities and countries in. Shall we invite Stacey to become a member? We all want Stacey to be a member, right? And then we can put her on Discord and we can promote her YouTube channel. She can be in our fundraisers, all that stuff. Right, here we go. Let's bring everybody up to date. Ohio, wonderful. Wonderful. Lovely to have you here. The countryside, we love the countryside. All right, everybody please put your cities and countries in. Now, Stacey, every week I do a free prize draw. Like, we give money away all the time, and it gives all my top tips. It's a free weekly newsletter. I never spam you. You can unsubscribe at any point. Here is my weekly newsletter. You can't be in the draw unless you subscribe to our weekly newsletter. Here it is in the chat. It's below all the videos. There it is. And here is the newsletter email you're looking for. It always goes into your junk folder. So check the day trader at martynlucas.com. It's in the chat right now for your email that you get. Do you see space reaching 100 by the end of this year? I did, but they delayed the flights. So even though the value is $100, absolutely 100%, no question about it, people who don't understand the stock have sold it out. They don't understand they're investing in rocket ships. They don't understand that we can't have them crash. They don't understand that the business isn't the space flights. It's the experiences with the hotels, the cruise ships, and everything else, and the whole community globally around the world. It's why I'm going to Virgin Orbit in October, and why I'm going to the space station in New Mexico after that. That's what it's really about. That's what it's always been about, but people don't understand that. Anyway, hopefully you do by now. Right, we're covering the Gove earnings tonight after hours. Please, if you'd like to be in our earnings tonight for Gove, this is very, very important because it's linked with Walmart. It's linked with, it'll benefit Arrival because it'll draw attention to the whole EV space of vans and trucks. Here is our link to our blog, which contains the video. Please go on there. It will bring you to our blog page on our website, and then click on the video and leave a like for tonight's earnings on YouTube. Please do it this way because we're trying to rank on Google, #1 on Google for the earnings. 15 of you have now done it. I appreciate that very much indeed. Once you've done it, you'll see the like button, all right? Thank you ever so much. Right, let's get back to Virgin Galactic because we've got Day Trader of the Day to do our competition. So let's make sure everyone's up to date. Are you ready? If you give me a super chat during the song, I will during the show, you get a song as well. Stacey, I don't know if you know, I'm the world piano man, and I can sing you a song in the show at my piano back over there. Once I get a $10 super chat, it covers the copyright of the video. That's why I ask for a minimum of $10. Here we go. Here comes all the members now, and he sings to us, Stacey. Yes, I do. Hello from Malaysia. The Iron Condor, you're a good entertainer and singer. If I'm honest, though, you are not a day trader. How to make 200 days misleading if you don't even trade. I make more than $200 a day. I don't need to sell, though, when I'm making money. I trade if it's the right thing to do. I'm an investor. I'm here to make money, but I'm not a label. People like to label themselves and say I'm a day trader, which means I have to buy and sell on the same day. I'm a scalp trader, so I have to scalp trade in seconds. I'm a swing trader, so I do it over 2 weeks. Or I'm a long-term investor and I do absolutely nothing for the rest of my life. I just join a fan club. I am a trader, an investor, a scalper, a long-term investor, but I'm here more importantly to make money and grow a family. That's what I'm about. I trade if it's the right thing to do. I don't trade just for the sake of it. I'm here to make more money than the most profitable way. And if holding the stock for now is the right thing to do, that's exactly what I will do. I don't day trade just because. And I only invest in stocks I believe in. I don't invest in stocks just to make money. Unless it's for entertainment purposes for you guys, when I bought Sheba and when I bought... what was it? Mullen for a laugh. How can I make $200? Throw a bone my way. I make way more than $200. I've made way. Look, I'm up $2,000. I'm up for the next 10 days. I could sell it all now if you want. Should I sell it all now and make $2,000? I mean, what do you want? There's no point. That's not the right thing to do today. So I'm not doing it. So I'm not a label. I'm not anything. I'm just a free spirit. I'm a wandering star. I do what's right for the portfolio and what's good for the family. Priority. That's it. And building the channel. That's what it's about. All right. I know some of you have asked me, why don't you trade every day? It'd be very entertaining. I mean, what's the point? I mean, I do it if it's the right thing to do. Not just because it looks good. And I'm called the Day Trader, but it's the name of the show. And anyway, you can take it as you will. Virgin Galactic. So I need to do this one for my Virgin Galactic friends because I rank #1 in the world on SPCE stocks search term on YouTube. So let's bring everybody up to date very, very quick. We've got Day Trader of the Day. Are you ready? Here comes the ad We're taking a short break. I'll be right back in 30 seconds from now. Okay, here we go. This is very, very important. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Virgin Galactic. Well, what can I say? I've been inundated with messages, hundreds of messages, many of them very negative. You said Virgin Galactic would go to $100. It will. You said $100 would go $10 after the earnings. Well, it didn't, because people sold out because they don't understand the stock. It was all primed to have done. It sold down because people didn't understand the stock. And they all confused with Virgin Galactic. They think it's a space tourism company, and that's it. They think it makes spaceships, and that's it. Way more. It's the whole experience with Virgin. As I've always said, it's part of the Virgin experiences. It'll be linked to the hotels. It will be linked to the cruise ships. It will be linked to the experiences all around the world. So Virgin Galactic is up 4.51% today. I did a poll over the weekend, said would it go up to $7? Overwhelmingly, people said no, not a chance in hell. Well, it did, and it's going to 8, and it's going to 100. Why do I know that? Well, I'm going to the Virgin Orbit space station in the UK to have a look around, and I'm going to the Virgin Galactic space station in New Mexico to have a look around and have a chat to a few people, because I know where the stock is going, and the earnings was great. They're spending money. They're losing money. Well, of course they are. They're building spaceships and hotels. What do you expect them to be doing? Anyway, Virgin Galactic is up 4% today. No surprise. I'm really excited about it. Let's go over to my main portfolio and share with you how many stocks I've got. I was also accused of pumping the stock. We never pump the stock here on the Day Trader. Absolutely not. What we do on the Day Trader is always tell you the truth. Always share with you my real trades, my real money. Do I promote the stock? Yes. If I buy a stock? Yes. Why? Because I'm putting my own money into it. I believe in it. These are my real shares. This is my real money. This is all of my real money. I only have $2,000 in the bank. All the money I've got in the world is here. Over the next 10 years, I've calculated the money that I would put in every week, every month. I put it all in now. It works out far better to be in if you can do that. And I can do that because I paid off my mortgage, I paid off my car loan, and I put everything I had into the stock market now. We've got a video. We're doing the live chat right now because this video is being made during a live chat. I've got someone saying I'm not a day trader because I'm not day trading today. I trade all the time when it's appropriate. I'm not a label. I don't pin myself on anything. I'm flexible, fluid, and I'm here for the family, always telling the truth, always showing you my real trades. You're only a day trader apparently if you buy and sell on the same day. Well, if you buy and sell on the same day and it's the wrong thing to do, then you're bark raving mad. I don't do what the title tells you to do. I do what is the right thing to make more money overall on my portfolio for the short term, for the long term, for the whole term. That's what this channel is all about. And people who follow charts all the time and people who label themselves all the time have no foresight, imagination of where the world is going. I understand stock charts very well. I went all the way in maths. I can read charts upside down. No issue with charts, but I don't trade on them because the chart is merely for lemmings walking over a cliff. It tells you where it tells you where the stock was, and because of where it was, it tells people where it's going. How ridiculous is that? It doesn't mean a damn thing. You can draw lines in charts all you like. What I invest in is the CEO, the person who runs the company. What do they do? Does it make the world a better place? Is there a market for this? Will people buy it in? I don't care less what the price of the stock is. I care what the value of the stock is. And I certainly don't judge my trades on what everybody else is doing who's reading a chart. I create my own maps, my own charts, my own imagination of where I'm going. And by the way, if you wonder if anybody else does that, Warren Buffett does that, Elon Musk does that, and Albert Einstein always did that. I draw my own path and I don't follow anybody else. And in fact, when the whole world is fearing, I'm always bullish. In fact, I'm bullish all the time, optimistic all the time. Virgin Galactic will be $100 a share. Why? Because I know Richard Branson, not personally, but I've spent my life in entertainment working in doing events, and I know that the Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic is a whole experience, way more than just rocket ships and space tourism. And that's why I know it's going all the way to $100. It's a no-brainer. I've got no doubt whatsoever. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbnail on that one. There you go. Virgin Galactic. Where is the time on that one? It is 1 hour 44. 1 hour 44. 1 hour 44. SPCE. Back to the comments. Here we go. Let me come back to the comments, guys, and have a quick look. All my technicals are screaming risk off right now. Tomorrow's going to see a vicious sell-off. Insiders are selling. Everyone know, and retail is buying everything they can. Someone also knows. Thanks, Rob. What will the market cap of space be at $100? I need to do my calculations. I'll try and answer that for you later. Educate more on different projects while you take Rob. Come back in a better place, then I'd be more prepared. All my technicals are screaming. Kevin, NGL, I'm not a big risk taker. Looking at space scares me. What makes you think it'll go to $100? I hope I've answered it. Nothing scares me about SPCE at all. But again, it's a balanced portfolio. It's a balanced portfolio. If Virgin Galactic goes to zero, doesn't hardly affect my portfolio at all. Martin, why do you name your channel The Day Trader when you don't day trade? I do day trade. I trade all the time. But The Day Trader is what we called the show, and consistency, I'm not going to change it. Also, do you remember a month ago I said Bed Bath & Beyond was undervalued? You did. Rob Brennan, how are you, mate? Lovely to have you here. I'm so attuned to you at the moment, and so just can't celebrate Virgin Galactic much. Good luck, Rob. Space 750 by the end of the week. I'm taking a break from investing, going to pay down debts, as that makes more sense. How many times, Rob, have I said that? I didn't invest at all until I paid the mortgage off. I didn't invest at all until I paid the car loan off and credit card. I owe no money. I owe no money. That's when I started investing. That will change your mindset forever. As you all know, I went bankrupt once, many years ago, when the markets crashed in England, everything went down, my business went to zero. In fact, it didn't go to zero. It was okay, but I declared myself bankrupt because I could see where it was going 3 years ahead, and I was right, and it would have done, so I ended it. And I was never in debt ever since. When space it's 100, I'll be old and grey. No, you won't. It'll be 100 in a few years. Hi everyone. It'll be 100. It could be 100 by the end of the year if we hadn't had the delays. By the way, I got 124 shares of Virgin Galactic. Congratulations. Super new to the stock market. Sorry if I seem worthy. Hey, Kevin. Doesn't matter. What's the day trader, Iron Condor? You buy and sell the same day. But Iron Condor is trying to label and say, if you're a day trader, you have to buy and sell. Why? Who says that? You don't have to do anything. You do what's right for your portfolio. You don't just sell because you're supposed to. What makes you think it'll be 100 by next year? I've explained it in many videos. In truth, we all are. The only way space gets to 100 is if they start getting into government defense contracts, which they will, by the way. For it to get to your price target, they need to launch leisure rockets 5 to 10 times a day. No, they don't. No, they don't, because you're just pinning it. Again, you're just pinning it. It's like you're talking like the people did who didn't understand Tesla. You're talking like the people who didn't understand wind and solar. Virgin Galactic is not just about going up on a spaceship. It'll be tied to everything else. You'll end up landing. The spaceships will land in different parts of the world as we build out the spaceports, and then you'll be taken to your Virgin Galactic hotel, your Virgin hotel, your Virgin cruise ship, and so on and so forth. It's all about experiences. That's what it's all about. You're missing the point. Like Rio Tinto is not just a mining company. It's now getting into solar and wind. And if you want to know why I think Tesla and Virgin Galactic are the future, I will tell you right now. Twitter subpoenas Elon Musk associates as a legal battle heats up. Convince me why I or someone who is new to stocks and has a lot to lose should buy space. I'm really curious. I'm back at stocks. I want to learn more. Kevin, I'm not going to convince you of anything. Let me tell you why I started this channel. I started this channel after performing in 195 countries as the world piano man. I've been all over the world performing, learning about people. I was asked once to run as a politician in the UK, and my constituency would have won. I would have been a member of parliament, which is like a senator in the US. All right, but I said no because I'm not old enough. Let me give you a wave a minute. I want to go around the world and see people, because it's all about people. So I spent years and years and years touring the whole world, learning about people. Everything is to do with people. If you understand psychology of people, you understand how the world thinks. Okay? And the stock market is not charts. Charts reflect what people do. So spend your time learning people, studying people. So then I decided, because my business collapsed, I couldn't tour anymore, that I would go online and build the best YouTube channel, Twitch, TikTok channel in the world. I looked at Mr. Beast, who was always talking about becoming the first, 100 million. All about numbers. I don't ever concern myself with numbers. I concern myself with the quality of the product, the quality of the stock, the quality of the channel. So I built this TV studio, which is arguably, probably one of the best YouTube studios in the world. We have streaming cameras, we have all moving heads, moving lights, dry ice, smoke for the music. I don't do that now, but if anyone requests a song, all this starts moving, and I'm streaming in 4K, and the quality, everything I do is try to be the best, right? And I base it on a few principles, right? There are two channels that work together. The music, the money, which is the money, the music is my other channel. All protected with love, because it's all about supporting all of you. My members receive 20 times back what they put in. Ask any of my members. You'll notice nearly everybody's a member. And I've raised over $1 million for charities. This whole channel is not about labeling myself a day trader or labeling myself a swing trader or anything. It's about bringing the truth, sharing it with the world, learning who the people are, and that's how you grow and that's how you make money. That's what I'm doing. Okay? And I've got two channels working side by side, the Day Trader and the Martyn Lucas channel, all working together, and to bring you the honest trades, the honest investments of what I make. I don't promote, other than if you call it promoting, by sharing what I've bought myself and what I believe in. But I got accused the other day of pumping and dumping. I don't pump and dump anything. I promote a stock because it's what I believe in, it's what I own shares in, and I don't dump it when I'm telling you to buy it, as other YouTubers do. I don't make sad-faced videos because they get ratings. I'm always optimistic, I'm always positive. There's always an opportunity to make money. It's easy to make money. I've toured all over the world. It's easy making money. The hard part is keeping it. I just want to give you the link to my music channel. There's my music channel in the chat. It's all below all the videos, but I want to give it to you. So if you like my music after the show, go and check out my music channel, all right? And these channels together promote each other. And that's what this channel is all about. So to answer your question, I'm not going to tell you what you should invest in or what you should buy. But we're joined every day by traders and investors from all around the world who are trading their real shares, their real investments. And what you're seeing here is real. So what you're learning is real. The world is full of make-believe and lies and corruption. But everybody who watches my show shares with you their real trades on Discord. They tell you what they're doing in the chat. I share with you on the screen my real portfolio, my real money. This is all my real money. I've got no money anywhere else other than $2,000 in the bank. And $2,000 is literally what pays the electric, pays my council tax back in England, in the house in England, and that's it. And I take a little bit off every month on YouTube to put in there to keep it at $2,000. That's it. And this is my actual, all the money I've got in all the world. That's it. So what you're seeing here is a portfolio that started at $5,000, is now at 43. That's it. Live on the show in front of everyone. So I'm not here to promote my channel by lying and doing silly faces and stuff like that. Just a real journey of a real person doing real trades. Let's answer some of these questions. James, it wouldn't be worth 2 trillion. It wouldn't be worth 15 times the current market cap, so roughly 30 to 35 billion. Surely, space will be 400 billion at best, never hitting a trillion in market cap. So space would be worth more than Google. Do you not? I mean, it's beyond my comprehension to think that Virgin Galactic could not be bigger than Google. There's going to come a time, folks, we're going to go into space all the time. We're going to be flying to Mars. We're going to be flying to the moon all the time. Space, Virgin Galactic, all these sort of technologies are going to be at the forefront. You're limiting your investments to planet Earth. You're limiting your investments to thinking, well, this is what's been done before. It can't possibly. We've not even started to explore space yet. Of course, space could be bigger than Google. Of course it could. It's not about just flying a few rockets into space. It's about where we go from there. Anyway. Love this channel and our host, but he has a little over his head with the 100 price target. No, I don't. No, I don't. If the number of shares in circulation stay the same, then the market cap will be 15 times the share price. 15 times to $100. They have 207 million shares. I love the questions going on. I love the chat, by the way. This is brilliant. Have you ever lost big time in the stock market and almost quit? I feel like I lost $100, I'd cry. Kevin, yes. Live on my show, I was in tears. Jez West is here. I pump and dump on... I'm not even going to read that out. I'm not even going to read that out. Very, very good. I'm taking it off the screen. Yes. Live in my show, I was margin called. I was in tears. And because this channel is the best YouTube channel in the world, and our members are the best, and our support is the best, we have a higher engagement rate, by the way, folks, than Mr. Beast. More people per 1,000 views subscribe to our channel than Mr. Beast. We don't get lots of high videos, watch videos, because we're always live, because it's better for the community. I built my channel on being best for you. Right? And yes, I did. I cried my eyes out. I got margin called and I was straight out, and I learned from it. I always learn. You only learn from mistakes. You don't. If Virgin Galactic goes up and up and up and up and up, I learn nothing. I learn nothing. Making money is boring. I actually find making money boring. It's easy making money. The hard part, the skill, is to keep it. And now when I say I got margin called, I didn't get margin called by not aware of it and suddenly I was sent a message from Robinhood. You're margin called. I wasn't margin called like that. I was watching my stock and as it hit the line, as it was margined, I sold straight away. In fact, I sold a profit and paid off another stock. So I was margin called for like 1 second, but it was horribly painful. I don't like losing money. And my entire team, or my entire members came in, they were tipping for songs, they were doing super chats, and I was straight back up again. It was amazing. And I was in tears, not because I lost money. I was in tears because of the support I got from the family. I'm always focused on the positive. Whenever it rains, it means the sunshine's coming next. I got margin called, lost money, and everyone gave me money. Everyone gave me support. And that's because we're here for everyone. All right? Tesla's going to be $1,000 by the end of this week, during this week. Hey, and what do you think of the app Robinhood for the new... Robinhood is the best app ever. Kevin, are you in the US? Because if you use my referral, if you use my Robinhood referral, right, you get free stock and I will share with you what I get. No one else does that. I will do that. I will share with you what I get. If you're in the US, you can get Robinhood. In the UK, it's coming, but not yet. Smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. Virgin Galactic 100% is going to $100 a share. No question about it. 100%. And for those of you who go, Virgin Galactic cannot go to $100, it makes absolutely no sense. Because I know you're saying that. You don't understand the stock at all. At all. When the test flights went, it doesn't show it here. This is only the year. It shows $55 or $60. It went to $70 on the test flights. So are you telling me when it's flying regularly and they link it to all their experience and their hotels and they build out the whole experiences, you telling me it can't go to 100? Well, that's for chart readers. Well, there's a chart for you. So stop misunderstanding the stock and start understanding the stock, and you'll see it can go to $100 just on that basis. And that was just people because of greed and nonsense. Has no fundamentals. It did that. Wait till the fundamentals kick in. Anyway, not available in Canada. Of course it can. Of course it can. It's just a case of when and not if. Yeah, as long as they don't fail. That's why they've got to take time building the ships out, not rushing into it like everybody wants them to. There was less shares in circulation at $70. Yes, there was. Absolutely. Absolutely. But remember, the stock market isn't about numbers and charts. It's about people. People saw it go to 70. People saw it go to 70. So the people who don't understand the stock, the people that want to short it, the people that get short squeezed, the people that have no idea what they're buying, will go, it was at 70. It can go to 100. And it's those people that will push it to 100 before it's actually worth 100. The hype component alone will get it to former highs. Dennis Poirier, absolutely right. Dennis, how are you, mate? Absolutely 100%. No question about it. No question about it. 100%. That's what drives crypto. Purely hype. Purely nonsense. Purely YouTubers making up stories. Can't believe space is not currently $15 a stock because people don't understand it. That's why. It's simple. They've sold out because it's a high risk stock and they see it going down, so they get fearful. I love it. Hit the nail on the head, Paul. Too much dilution, more dilution will come. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. And that doesn't concern me at all. Anyway, what have you? Here's an example. This isn't dilution, of course, but this is people. You know, what stock was it that just did exactly what I just? There was a stock. I'm going to explain that perfectly. What is the difference between Robinhood and eTORO? Robinhood, they're both brokerages. eTORO is available in the UK. Also in the US, but Robinhood's only available in the US. This is Robinhood. I use Robinhood. I've tried them all. Robinhood is by far the best. It's the easiest, simplest. You don't need to confuse your brokerage app. You can research elsewhere. You want a simple app, simple trading. What you do want is the best features. You want it simple. You want it to be zero cost to trade. No fees. No fees. I've got my own wallets for crypto. Everybody's upset about that. And that's what it's all about. Anyway, I've got to end the show. I've got to go water aerobics. I've got to do my exercise for the day. I've just got a new subscriber. It's Constant Courage. You're back over there on my top member. How are you, Constant Courage? One of my subscribers. If you subscribe to me today on TikTok, at the end of this video, we've got 23,000 followers now on TikTok. We're trying to grow 500 followers a day. I make you a video at the end of this video and I post it to your channel, put your channel on here and invite my 23,000, just short of now, 22 and a half, whatever, 1,000 followers to subscribe to you and follow you. It's what I do for all my members. I also follow you back. Good show, Martin. Thank you, Paul. So here we go. Before we go, some very, very important news. Are you not live tomorrow? I am live tomorrow. I haven't posted it yet. I'm live every single day. I'm always live. I'm always here. I have been here every single day now, trading day for nearly 14 months. Oh, and one thing, one of my members, someone asked me today, asked me a question. I think it was Kevin. Many day traders, like some of you want me to be named a day trader and stick to day trading regardless of whether it's the right thing to do or not. Many people are saying that I forgot what I was going to say now. Doesn't matter. When is Robinhood coming to the UK? They put it on ice, but it is coming. We just don't know yet. I forgot what I was going to say. Doesn't matter. Right. We're going to do Day Trader of the Day. Now, for those of you who don't know, we're trying out an experiment today, and I want you all to help me because I ranked #1 on YouTube for many search terms. I'm now trying to rank #1 on YouTube. Sorry, on Google for certain search terms. So I've created a blog. and we're testing it out today. Now, on my blog page, I want you to click on this right now for the Gove Canoe earnings. It's tonight, right? Here's the earnings for tonight, all right? I've given it you in the chat right now, all right? And I want you to click on it, and I'm trying to use it to rank #1 for Gove Canoe stock on Google. And what you will see is this page here. This will bring you to my page on my website, martynlucas.com. And you'll scroll down to the Gove earnings for tonight. This is the Gove earnings tonight, Canoe. Click on the video and leave a like. Leave a like. You do it right now if you really would. I'm trying to get on the first page in one day on Google. And see, 15 people have liked it. We'll be live tonight for the after hours for the earnings. For the earnings tonight, and we're covering Arrival earnings as well. We are the Ion Condor. We are covering earnings for Arrival. I've got shares in Arrival. We are covering it, and we're also covering the Rivian earnings as well. And you remember when the Rivian's van came down my street? Well, that video did very, very well as well because of what I'm showing you now. If you can help me do that, go and give it a like. Be really, really cool. And remember, as I grow, you all grow. That's what this channel is all about. Let me refresh it now. Let's see if I've ranked up a bit more. I was on the first day, I got to the second page right at the top. I'm still now on the second page. I haven't quite made the first page yet. If you could help me with that, it'd be absolutely amazing. It's getting better. Anyway. I'm at 30% on Amazon. I should probably cover that soon. Amazon. Amazon was oversold. Amazon has just bought Medical One. Amazon's now bought Rumba. Amazon's got a long, long way to go. A lot to get back. You can have my Robinhood account. I don't like it. I love Robinhood. I think it's phenomenal. Why would you not like Robinhood? Virgin Galactic is... I did the poll. And overwhelmingly, I said 100% it would be $7 today, and everyone said no, it wouldn't. And well, it has. It's heading back up towards $8. I did, but I missed what you said. Darn it, YouTube mobile. Don't worry, you don't miss anything. You can rewind it, watch it again. Right, Day Trader of the Day. We're doing Day Trader of the Day right now because I've got to go. We've got to end this show. So very, very quickly, for all of those of you that are watching me, I hope you did click on the blog. Let me see if it got any more likes. 18. Yes, you guys, you did it. Fantastic. We're trying to rank #1 now for Canoe Gove on Google. Great. Best YouTube channel in the world. We're trying to grow 2 channels together and help everyone with raising money. That's what we're all about. I love Robinhood and his merry men. So do I. I liked it. Thank you, Rob. Thank you very much, Indy. I can see that. Brilliant. And you did it straight through my blog. Absolutely awesome. Right, okay. Day Trader of the Day. Now, for very, very, very quickly, for those of you, every Friday, I give away the money I make in my video. I give a cash prize cash giveaway every Friday, and I also give away the money I make on Twitch as well. If you subscribe to me on Twitch, it's all in our newsletter. There is our free newsletter with all my top tips. You can unsubscribe at any point. I never spam you. It's a secure server. When you click on it, make sure that you verify the email. Here is the email. It always goes into your junk folder because it uses the word cash prize and free draw, but it is, all right? When you click on that, you will come to this page. I'll share with you the page you come to. This is what you see. Make sure you put your email in there and subscribe, and then verify the email. Here's the Day Trader newsletter, okay? And you can sponsor the newsletter if you want to for 5 cents per person and book it 4 weeks ahead. We're growing every single day. Now then, if you get that, you can subscribe to me on Twitch for free, and I give away my memberships, my ad revenue on Twitch. Everyone should have me on Twitch at the same time in a separate tab, and I give away the money every month on Twitch. And the idea is to help you. It's free money to me. I get it from Amazon. It costs you absolutely nothing, and there is my Twitch channel. Why wouldn't you subscribe to me? All right, okay. Okay. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Go to your main portfolio. We're looking at Tilray very quickly, up 12.5% today. This will 10x as soon as we get the bill passed through Senate. It's coming. It happened in Germany. It's happening in Germany. It will come to the US. It's just a matter of time. So I bought it when it went down the other day. 24% has now turned into a 12% profit. Brilliant. Okay, here we go. And we're also covering Gove tonight for the earnings. It's up, as is Arrival, which is up. Here's Arrival. Hang on. There's Arrival. And we're also covering Rivian as well tonight, which is up 45% on Rivian. Absolutely fantastic. I don't need to own any more shares. Mad props. I give you props. You are very entertaining. May not be a day trader, though. I do not understand why your watchers love you. But I do. Oh, I do understand. Well, you've not seen anything yet. The Iron Condor. You've not seen anything. If you give me a $10 super chat, I will do a song. I do 650 songs, 14 voices, and 7 different languages. I can sound like Pavarotti, Neil Diamond, Paul McCartney, Elton John, back here in the studio. And we've raised over $1 million for our charities in this studio by being a member. You can have all of that, and I don't charge anything for the fundraisers. I don't take any commission. Your favorite charity can have all the money and join the Lions Club, join the McKinney, join the nurses. I've got loads of people that had fundraisers, over $1 million we raised. Just become a member. Okay, Day Trader of the Day. Let's do it right now, and then we've got to end the show. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. When the first person puts their score in, I shall do it up 4.4%. And also, if you're a silver member, the Iron Condor, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, make videos for you if you make me a manager of your channel, and I get everyone during my live show, and I do it for my members all the time. Look, these are my members. Look, these are my members. And at any point, I pick a member, and I make them all famous on YouTube. I will get everyone to watch their videos, subscribe. And there you go. Caden Youngquist is now 120 subscribers. He was at 50 2 weeks ago. We got him to 100, and he's had lots of people from my newsletter click on him. He's now at 120 subscribers. There we go. Caden sponsored my newsletter for just $5. And he's got over 120 subscribers now. All right. Okay, here we go. Start posting your scores 1 minute from now. Here we go. Day Trader of the Day. I said, chicky, 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 pow, pow. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Who's going to beat me today? These are our scores, up 3.62. Sebdeen is up 3.1. Shad is up 3.28. Any more scores? Am I the winner again? Apparently, I'm supposed to day trade today. Well, I'm up 4. I'm beating everybody. Maybe I should sell out and buy everything back tomorrow at a loss. I don't know. What do you think? Anyway, I'm up 0.45% today. So far, got Coke, LSI, Tesla, and Amazon. Love it. Up 0.02, up 0.45. Expecting huge gains later. It looks like the winner of the day trader is me again, but I'm not a day trader, apparently. Oh my God, Jez West broke even. All right, folks. It looks like from not trading today, I am up. Hang on a minute. What's going on? He's not a day trader. How come he's won again? What's going on? How come Martyn Lucas has been winning now nearly every day for nearly 3 months? What's going on? What's going on? How come he's up over 1.78 over 3 months? What's going on? The Iron Condor. The Iron Condor, you have to now become a member of our channel, because just become a bronze member and see all the perks and benefits you get. You can share all your stock trades, all your investments, because you can share it all on our Discord channel. You can call in live to the show. You can be part of the whole thing. You should be a member. If you go silver, you can do a fundraiser and you can be part of our show. Anyway, so I am the winner. So everybody, you know what that means. I hate winning. I don't like when I win, because this part gets silly. This part is when I go, thank you very much for your honest trades. You're very, very welcome. No problem at all. Give myself a thumbs up, thumbs up. What about a big round of applause? There we go. Oh, I got a super chat from the Iron Condor. The Iron Condor has just given me a super chat. He's just given me a super chat. Oh, look at that. I got a super chat from the Iron Condor. You should have become a member. It's a lot cheaper and you get a lot more. But I really appreciate the super chat. There we go. Thank you ever so much indeed. Middle class is up 0.76. Another day trader. What's going on here? 95% of day traders lose money. Don't label yourself with anything. Do the right thing. Do the right thing and make money. When it's the right time to buy and the right time to sell, do the right thing. There you go. I'll subscribe later this week. None day trader. Hang on a minute. He's not a day trader. Oh, what's going on? Iron Condor, you can request a song for a $10 super chat. He can if he does it in the next, 10 seconds, because I've run out of time. We've come to the end of the show, guys. I've really got to go. Iron Condor, you can request a song, but I've really got to end the show right now. If you come back this afternoon for the closing bell, I will do a song for you as you've given me a $10 super chat. Go to my website and you can see all the songs that I can do. 650, 14 voices. Okay. Daniel Smith up 4.26. 4.26. Did you guys beat me? A little bit too late though. Yeah, I'm 4.25 again now. Do what you want to do. Okay, I'll do it over the rainbow. Over the rainbow. I'll do it when I come back this afternoon, guys. I'm not a day trader. I bought my stocks and sat on them for 3 months, and I'm up roughly $100. So I'm happy holding on to them for now. But I like stocks with dividends. Can you do over the rainbow? Yes, I can. Iron Condor, can you come back this afternoon? Because I'm really, really pushed for time. Really, really pushed for time. In fact, sod it. I'll do it. I'll do it quickly. All right, as you requested it, I'll do it. All right, here we go. Over the rainbow. We're going to finish up the show. Let me change all the lights. Over the rainbow. It made a request. I've got to do it. Someone gave me a tip, so I've got to do it. We're making money. Let's change it perfect. I'll try to get on so I can hear it. I'll do it now. I promised I would, so I'm going to do it now. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We'll change to this screen. I'll put you all on the chat. There you go. Now you can all come up in the live chat. There you go. There you are. Let me go back over here. Over the rainbow. Here it comes. I've got to be quick. I've got to be really quick. Everybody on TikTok, you can watch it on the big screen. Okay, here we go. All right. This is just for you then. There you go. We're in the hot seat now. This is Over the Rainbow. We had a special request. It's a beautiful, beautiful song, and I'd be absolutely delighted to do it. I got a $10 super chat. If you do the hang on, let me get rid of that. There you go. Let me close the poll so I can see everyone on the screen. There you go. Okay, everybody. Now you can all do your super chat. Now you can all do your now you can all do your comments and they'll fly up. All right. There we go. There you go. Everyone do your comments. Here we go. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, blue birds fly. Birds fly over the rainbow. Why then, oh why can't I? Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh why can't I? Why There we go, folks. We've come to the end of the show. We've got to roll the credits. Let me quickly get back over to the studio and double time. Roll the credits, everybody. Someone say roll the credits. Someone say, gotta be quick. Here we go. I've got to go to water aerobics. Piano. Okay, here we go. Turn this light on again. Back in the house. Turn the lights round. Roll the credits. This made my day. There you go. We're trying to become the best YouTube channel in the world, where we help more people. We raise $1 million in my studio. Roll the credits. If you gave me a super chat today, you'll be in. Did you give me a super chat? Let me bring up the where is the overlays? Where is my ticker gone? Hang on a minute. Ticker, there it is. All right, here we go. So, have you subscribed, rung the bell? Hopefully everyone has. Appreciate all the love and the tips you give me. Remember, all my music gets copyrighted. This whole video doesn't earn me a single penny. I'm only able to be here by the super chats that you sponsor me and all the members. Without it, I literally sit here every day for free. I really appreciate all of you that have followed me today, subscribed to me. Let's roll the credits. I've literally got to go. My ride will be here in 9 minutes time. We've extended. We are back today for the closing bell, and then we are back, of course, for the Gove earnings. Roll the credits. Roll the credits. Come on, Martin. Roll the bloody credits, for God's sake. There we go. Quick. Here we go. End one. Okay, here we go. Roll the credits. I've got to go. I've got to run out the door. I've got to finish the show properly, though. Right, here we go. If you gave me a tip today, you'll be on the show. Here we go. All right, let's have a little look. Shooby-doo. Thanks for moderators. Mike beat the Restream bot again. I only got one super chat today. That's Ion Condor. Load of new subscribers. We're gaining 500 followers a day on TikTok. Very, very exciting stuff. It gets faster and faster. Every day on TikTok we gain 500. And we're growing really quickly here on YouTube. I want to thank everyone that's followed me today. New members. Nate Miller and Pete Wilson became members today. Thank you very much indeed. You get all the perks and benefits now. You can have access to our full Discord channel. Fantastic. Thank you ever so much, everyone who subscribed to the channel. That's it from me. We got another subscriber. Karthik's just subscribed. That's it. Thank you, Peter Wilson. Thank you, Nate Miller. I appreciate you for becoming a member today. Who did a subscriber to YouTube? We got Cheryl Davis, Xiao, and Stacy J. Lane. That's it. Fantastic. Well, thank you ever so much, everybody who took part today. We're now over 4,203 subscribers. Gained really great today. Thank you ever so much, everybody. I'll see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. Plus, of course, we've got the after hours earnings tonight. I've got to run out the door fast as you've ever seen me. I'm waiting for the music to come to an end. Thank everybody on TikTok for following me, subscribing to me. If you became a subscriber, I'll make you a video at the end of the show. But that's it from me. Thanks ever so much. We're up again today. Our portfolio is still climbing. We're up at 4.43 today. 4.43. Even better than before. Hit the bell, hit the bell. Do check. Thanks ever so much, everybody. That's it from me. Have a lovely day. That's it. I'll see you all back this afternoon. Until then, thanks for being here. I got the timing all wrong. This has gone on too long. It's coming up to the end now, though. Here it comes. That's it. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you back in a bit. Boom.